Okay. Hello. Yeah, this time let's verify the service downtime while recovering the VSS. Because RMA VSS break something the system fail. Yeah, at that time we need to recover. And during the recovering, yeah, I will check there is a service interruption. To check that, first. Oh no, wait. I will isolate. No. Dual active. I will remove the dual active first. And then okay, remove the dual active first. And then why keep I will create it's too slow. Yeah, VLAN 1666. Okay. I will advertise the routing. And let's check. It's off. Yeah, okay. I will ping. Yeah, repeat like this. And first, and then interport channel. No, interport. I will isolate. Yeah, each dual active. Why ping is down? Yeah, this is one of the dual active issue. Yeah, dual active is horrible. You have also routing, right? But why? VLAN down. That's right. Okay. Switch convert mode standalone. Yes. And then isolate the standby switch, then convert to standalone. And then the standalone, and then I reconvert to virtual domain VS. And then join VSS. Then join VSS. Check the traffic interruption while joining VSS from standby switch. Yeah, this is your why it still keep not working? Yeah, the it's down because the trunk is down. So into VLAN 1 new IP address into I will create the okay, let's see. Actually, I don't need it right now. Yeah. Okay, I will wait. Okay, to make sure, I will factory reset. There is no VLAN. No VLAN 2, and then erase startup config. Yes. No. Okay. Okay, I will come back. Okay, let's assume this is the new switch and then try to join the VSS again. To do this, no. Configure. To configure, I will copy the secondary. Why? Okay, and not you. Okay, then yes. Okay. Yeah, now booting, and then I will check if there is any service interruption while joining the VSS. Too slow. So in this section, the pagp and the ospf are configured. So just to check that this protocol is effective or not. Ha 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 ha. What happened to you? Oh? Yeah. I did not. Yeah, because I factory reset, but I didn't configure. Yeah. Okay, what was that? Just like that. Boot. Boot flash. Boot flash. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I will come back if there is issue or not. Yeah. Okay, yeah, almost booting. Yeah, still there is no traffic interruption, and then there is no rogue. Okay, I will come back if there is any rogue here. Yeah, now there is some, joined, and then port channel is up. Yeah, there is so far no issue, and then interface step down. Interesting. Okay, show this description. Yeah, the standby switch interface is still down. Okay. Oh, there is one packet loss. Maybe the channel. Okay, this is your the conclusion of packet loss. due to either channel. Okay, it's acceptable situation. There is nothing issue. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Yeah. This is the last video for the VSS.